All right, so above me we have our float-in cans, recess cans, and you can see all of the patching that's going on. Well, the reason the patching is going on is because we've built out these beautiful scallop columns and it changed our center line. So super simple. We moved all of the recess cans and we're taping and floating here. The atrium is just about done and it's absolutely gorgeous. Here's some more sheetrock patching. So this fiberglass mesh gets applied over these joints here so that when we put the mud on, the mud has something to stick to, a flat surface. And then when we sand it out, it'll be nice and smooth and uniform. So that's a little bit of sheetrock. Doors are covered. Painting is near completion. And our beautiful primary bathroom marble paneling. You can see there's just a nice finish edge here. This is actually a miter of the 3/4 inch piece, which looks really clean. And that continues throughout. Back in the shower, so these joints are all flush. So these are flush joints so that when the shower's on, the water can then just flow right down the wall and into the drain. So we're loving the way this turned out. And then if you look up here, we have our floating panels. And you can see there are wires attached to some screws, some really strong sort of bolt screws. And that's holding the paneling up on the ceiling. The finished look is actually back over at the shower area. So our next move is to install our trim on the ceiling. And that's what we're working on right now. More sheetrock touch-ups. And we'll just keep on rolling.